Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can zoom in Premiere Pro timeline. It's actually very easy. There are two ways which you can use to do that. The first way is pretty easy. For that we just need to put the header over to the area where you wanna zoom in. Once you do that, here you have 2 points, or you can set two handles to zoom in. So hold one of these handles and just drag in to zoom and drag out to zoom out. That's where you can easily zoom in and out in your timeline. This is the first way. If you want to do it faster, you can follow the second way, and in that you just need to hold your alt key from the keyboard and just put your cursor over to the area where you want to zoom in. I want to zoom here at the start. I can just put my cursor over here, and by using the scroll I can just zoom there just like this, and by following this way you can easily zoom in and out by using your scroll while holding alt key. But yeah, that's it. These are two ways which you can use to zoom in and out in your timeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.